Hello, welcome back to the HKBU Phonology Lab channel. In this episode, we'll share some tips on how to manipulate duration in Praat. In this sound file, sa, the constant is around 170 milliseconds. The vowel is around 190 milliseconds. Suppose we want the fricative to be half of its original duration, and we want the vowel to be 300 milliseconds. First, we need to create a copy of the sound file that allows us to do the manipulation. To do this, in a Praat Objects window, we keep the sound file selected. Go to Manipulate, to Manipulation. Click on OK. A new item has appeared in the Praat Objects window. Keep this new item selected. Click on View and Edit. In a pop-up window, we have the waveform of the sound, an area for pitch manipulation, and an area for duration manipulation. Before manipulating the duration, it's important to mark the boundaries of the segments, in particular the ones we want to change the duration of. This is the left boundary of the fricative. To mark the boundary, we go to Duration, Add Duration Point at. The time is where we put the mouse cursor at, and the default value of the relative duration is 1. We can leave both as they are. Click on OK. Similarly, we mark the boundary between the consonant and the vowel. Go to Duration, add Duration Point at, keep relative duration as 1. OK. The same for the right boundary of the vowel. Now, let's change the fricative to half of its original duration. To do this, we select a 10 point in this interval, close to the left boundary of the fricative. Then we go to Duration, add Duration Point at. We leave the time as it is and specify the relative duration as 0.5. That is half of the original duration. OK. We go to a time within this interval, close to the ending point of the fricative. Go to Duration, add Duration Point at, and keep this one as 0.5. We have this part with lowered duration line, meaning its duration has been shortened. Let's listen to check. Let's manipulate the duration of the vowel. Its original duration is 190 milliseconds, and we want it to be 300 milliseconds. To change the duration, again, we select a 10 point within this interval and close to this boundary. Go to Duration, add Duration Point at. We can leave the time as it is, but for the relative duration, we need to do some math. The original duration is 190, and we want the target duration to be 300 milliseconds. We will see that the relative duration should be 1.579. Let's put 1.579 here. Click on OK. Let's do the same at the right boundary. We have a raised duration line here, meaning the duration has been lengthened. To save the changed sound file, we go to File, Publish Resynthesis, and a new item appears in the Praat Objects window. This is the result of the manipulation. To save it, we keep the new item selected, go to Save, Save as WAV file. Let's give it a name like Sa manipulated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye.